Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change location on Facebook dating. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to open your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have logged in to your account. Now that you're here, just have to click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner of your screen and then scroll down until you can see the dating option. So right here, just have to click on it and then you'll be redirected to this page. Now just click on your profile, this one below your profile picture at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you have to click on your dating profile. So just click on this first option at the top, and then you just have to scroll down until you can see your current location. So right here, when you click on your current location, you've only got two options. Okay, so Facebook has to access your location so that it will provide a precise or an approximate location to give you a better experience or a more relevant and personalized experiences on Facebook dating. So you just have to click on allow, and here you can choose if you want to add your precise location or the approximate location only. And after choosing, you just have to click on while using the app. And as you can see, my current location here on Facebook dating has changed. So your location will depends on where you're at as of the moment. So if you're somewhere around your city or out of the town, so you can go ahead and go to settings and change your current location, and then you have to allow Facebook to access the location on your phone, so it will give you a relevant experience on Facebook dating. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.